Kasabay ng pag-impeach ni BP Sara sa Kongreso, binulaga naman ang Senado ng kudeta at nagkakaroon nga ng change of leadership. Senador Tito Soto pinalitan ni Alan Peter Cayetano bilang Senate President. Hello, sang mapagpalang araw ng Miyerkules sa ating lahat mga kapobre. Pizza 13 sa buwan ng Mayo. Panibagong araw, panibagong biyaya, panibagong pag-asa, panibagong lakas. And of course, panibagong vlog mga kapobre. So isingit lang natin tong pangyayari nung isang araw sa Senado. Binulaga ng isang matinding kudeta ang Senado mga kapobre. So mamaya na yon yung ating update sa barangay at SK election. Dito muna tayo sa kudeta na nangyari sa Senado nung Lunes mga kapobre. Pati tayo nabulaga, hindi lang ang Senado, pati ang mga manonood, dahil nataon yun sa kanilang sesyon at nabulaga tayo sa pagbabago ng leadership sa Senado. At yung pangyayaring yun ay nataon din na busy ang House of Representatives sa pag-impeach ni BP Sara. At yun na nga, napalitan si Tito Soto bilang Senate President ng Senado at naluklok si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Mga kapobre, panoorin natin to. Ito yung umpisa sa sesyon ng Senado at biglang nagmosyon si Senador Villanueva na i-declare na ang lahat ng posisyon sa Senado ay vacant. Panoorin natin to mga kapobre. Here we go.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel Villanueva.
So a roll call vote is in order. The Secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized before. Because once we start the vote, we cannot recognize
Mr.
anyone.
President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
The motion is all positions vacant by...
Which positions? Just for the record, Mr. President. All positions of elected of the leadership.
One position.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
All right, the Secretary will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian.
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino.
No.
Senator Cayetano Alan.
Yes.
Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa.
Yes.
Senator Ejercito. Senator Escudero.
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada.
Yes.
Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Hontiveros. Senator Lacson.
No.
Senator Lapid. Senator Ligarda. Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Subiri, Senate President Soto.
No. Yeah, hello. 30. With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
With that, Mr. President, may I move, therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes, sir.
suspend session.
Yes, with the session resumed, may I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Any objection? There being none, the motion of Senator Amy Marcos is hereby approved. Please proceed.
Sir President, may we also nominate Senator Joel as the temporary or acting majority leader?
There is a motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that Senator Joel Villanueva be made an acting majority floor leader. Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, there was a nomination by Senator Amy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr. President, that there's no objection, Mr. President. And so I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
Is there an objection? There being none, the period, yes, is that an objection, Senator Pangilinan?
We do not object because we do not have the numbers, but we would like to manifest our serious reservations, Mr. President, for the record.
Noted, Senator Pangilinan. There is a pending motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period of nomination. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is hereby approved. Majority Leader.
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President, and suspend the session.
Session is hereby suspended. May we call on Senator Camille Villar to administer the oath to the newly elected Senate President, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Ito para yung flag daw. Sila ate. Yeah.
Let me hold this under your kamay mo. Okay, you got it?
Okay. Oath of office. I state your full name.
I, Alan Peter Shram Cayetano,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will uphold and support, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
All the best. God bless you.
So yan po ang kabuuang pagpapalit ng liderato sa Senado. At sa kabuuang boto na 13-9-2 ay tuluyan na pong napatalsik bilang Senate President si Senador Tito Soto. 13 ang pumabor na palitan siya, 9 ang hindi pabor, at 2 po ang nag-abstain. Alam nyo mga kapobre, ito pong pagpapalit ng liderato sa Senado ay malaking bagay po ito sa impeachment ni BP Sara. Dahil po kung ating susumahin, ito pong si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano ay isa po itong pro Duterte po ito. At ito naman si Senador Tito Soto ay nasa administrasyon ni Marcos. Kaya ito po ngayon ang magandang abangan pag nag-umpisa na ang hearing sa Senado kaugnay ng impeachment ni BP Sara, dahil pasado na po sa Kongreso at ito na po ang pangalawang bisis na na-impeach si BP Sara sa Kongreso. So mga kapobre, ang bula po ay nasa Senado na. So yan ang ating abangan. Mamaya po ang ating update sa barangay at SK election. This is your Cap John Official. Bye bye and God bless.